Today, we're getting ready to talk about different cleansers and the dangers of combining certain ones with each other. A lot of these are regular cleansers that we use every day. Some of us use all of them, some of us use some of them, some of us use all of them, but we combine them, okay? And that can be very, very dangerous, okay? So the first one I want to talk about is the combination of bleach and vinegar. Regular distilled white vinegar, regular bleach, okay? These two things can be very, very dangerous when combined. As you all know, I'm not a fan of bleach, okay? But when combined together, they produce a toxic chlorine gas. Once in the air, it becomes invisible. And although chlorine gas in general is usually a kind of yellowish color, you can only recognize it by side effects or scent. And some of the side effects from being exposed to chlorine gas include eye irritation, burning of the eyes, the nose, or the throat. You can experience nausea or vomiting, problems breathing, and even a tightness in your chest. It can also affect your skin. You can experience blisters, rashes, or burning on your skin. So do not mix vinegar and bleach. Next up is bleach and anything that contains ammonia, like glass cleaner, and ammonia itself. Do not mix bleach and ammonia. Create a toxic gas called chloramines. If exposed to this gas, chloramine gas, you could experience things like coughing, burning of the eyes, the nose, the throat, nausea and vomiting, wheezing, or maybe shortness of breath. And most importantly of all the side effects, potentially dangerous and deadly fluid buildup in your lungs. So please, please, please do not mix anything bleach and ammonia. Next on the list, and if y'all notice, bleach is in most of this stuff, okay? That's why I don't like bleach. Isopropyl alcohol, okay? Isopropyl alcohol contains ethanol, and when it's mixed with bleach, it produces a compound called chloroform. Now, chloroform, excuse me if I'm pronouncing any of these wrong, but y'all know what I mean. Y'all got the essence of it. Chloroform is colorless, but it's slightly sweet smelling. And it can be very, very dangerous as well because it can cause something that's known as sudden sniffer's death. Sudden sniffer's death, AKA fatal cardiac arrhythmia. I probably said that one wrong, but y'all get the drift. Some symptoms if you're exposed. Again, eye and skin irritations, upper respiratory issues as well. You're gonna be dizzy with this. Fainting spells often occur, as well as just the dangers and the potential damage to your eyes, your lungs, your skin, your liver, your kidneys, your nervous system. Sudden sniffer's death. It's nothing to play with. Please, please, please do not mix bleach with isopropyl alcohol. All these words. And last but not least, do you know we can finally set the bleach aside? Hydrogen peroxide and vinegar. Please do not mix these two together. Although both of these fall into the natural cleaning list, vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, together, they can be dangerous. They can produce a chemical called peracetic acid. And exposed to peracetic acid, you could again experience eye irritation, skin irritation, respiratory problems. You can also, just by being exposed to it, can develop scarring on the eyes, scarring on your respiratory system, your lung, and on your skin, okay? So please, again, do not mix vinegar with isopropyl alcohol. These are the combinations that you want to stay away from. Now, these are not the only combinations out there, but these to me are the most commonly used products that can be easily combined. Number one, not knowing. Number two, by accident, okay? You always want to keep your products and things like this away and out of the reach and area of any child, pet, elderly person, or someone that is unable to be aware of what the product may be or what the product may do. Okay, so these are the ones. Bleach, y'all know I hate that. I like hydrogen peroxide, I like vinegar, I like glass cleaner, and I love isopropyl alcohol. But I ain't mixing none of them together, okay? Oh my goodness. I hope that you all got something out of this. If you did, please share the video out, because I like, when I give information, I like for it to reach as many people as possible, because if it can just help one person, then all the work and all the time and all the effort is not in vain. So share it out. And take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss the next tip. I'm Pam, and this is my POV.